This is gonna blow your mind. The world's biggest desert was once a green paradise. Seriously, the Sahara was nothing like you think. Okay, here's the secret history. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara wasn't a dry, sandy desert at all. It was actually a lush green land filled with grasslands, rivers, and even hippos. Scientists have found ancient cave paintings of swimming people and wild animals, proof that life thrived here. But what happened? Well, the Earth's tilt and orbit slowly shifted, changing the climate. Over time, rain stopped falling, plants died, and the desert took over. The Sahara turned from a green wonderland into the endless sand dunes we see today. So next time you picture blazing sun and endless sand, remember underneath it all, the Sahara hides a secret green past. Now you know.